How to use Feng Shui to deal with negative energy. If you feel that you may have some negative energy in your home or life, it's important to check that your bed, desk, and stove are in the commanding position. Although we can't see sound, the vibrations move through the space and forms within our homes. Beautiful sound can cut through and transform negative qi into positive energy. Oranges are like gold when it comes to clearing negative energy. The shape, color, and scent of oranges invoke bright, yang, sun energy. Just like the sun at high noon, the scent of oranges is cheerful and life-affirming. The peels are especially powerful, so be sure to eat the oranges. A regular space-clearing ritual in your home releases any accumulated negative energy. Smudging with botanicals like sage or palo santo is usually what people think of when thinking of a space-clearing ritual, but there are other ways. You can simply open all the doors and windows to the outside for a minimum of 9 minutes between 11 a.m. and 1 p.m., or you can spritz the air with a space-clearing mist like sage or palo santo. Sometimes negative qi is stuck energy. It is energy that is stagnant and not moving. Negative energy may be invited into your home with second-hand or emotionally charged objects, like an antique that is still holding the energy from a previous owner. Think about that gift from a relative that makes you cringe, or any paperwork you've held onto from a painful legal process. Plants are a go-to for negative energy because they bring healing and growth into your home. Be sure that your plants are well taken care of and they do not fall ill. Otherwise, they'll instead contribute to the negative energy in the space. The color black can absorb and transmute any harmful energies, so black tourmaline is a protective crystal that can be placed in your home. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.